So you see that the value creation formulas tend to be symmetrical like that. Just like EBITDA growth is delta E times M and multiple expansion is delta M times E. These two combine to produce the unlevered return, which has the change in enterprise valuation times the average equity ratio. And this is the mirror image of the leverage effect, which is the change in the equity ratio times the average enterprise valuation. Now note that here in the derivative model, the leverage effect is not driven by the change in net debt, but by the change in equity ratio. So you create value through the leverage effect if equity as a share of the company's capital structure increases. Now these two value drivers, the unlevered return and the leverage effect, they combine to form the isomeric return. This is basically the hypothetical dilution neutral return, or what would have happened if the GP's share of company equity did not change over the holding period. And it is the mirror image of fund ownership impact, which is the influence of dilution or concentration on the GP's return.